What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're installing sway bars on my 1995 Miata. So today we are installing sway bars, to be specific, Flying Miata sway bars on my 1995 Mazda Miata. We already have it in the air, ready to start, so we're gonna get working. Okay guys, so got the front one out. What you do for that is you can either do it while the car's on the ground. I already had the car up on jack stands, so we just jacked up the wheels. You take out these little guys, the end link here that goes to the sway bar. That will go to there. And then you have your brackets, bushings, mounts, whatever you want to call them, that bolts up right. I can't see from the angle I'm at, but right there. Take those out, and then you should be able to get that out. We got it out without taking anything off, so you should be good to do that. And then now we're gonna put the new one on, and I'll show you the difference. So you have different material, and then obviously the thickness here, the difference is crazy. Camera does no justice for it, but and then these are they're obviously gonna be a little heavier, they're bigger, more sturdy. So I'm gonna get this one in, and then I'll update you guys in a bit. So this is my roommate Casey, best friend for a long time. He's helping me out with this. Do I need the help? No. Do I appreciate it? Yes. Okay, so I messed up my thumb. Like I always do, I always manage to mess up something on myself doing little things, but now he is taking off the rear because my thumb don't want to work.
Are you not going to do an update on your YouTube video that you're working on the back now?
I'm doing it now.
Right now. You just fucked up the video.
So same thing as the front. Take them off the links. You got your brackets. Flying Miata, like I said before, they supply you with new brackets and new bushings for the new sway bars, obviously because they're different size. I thought this is cute because it's like the size of my pinky, but you know, yeah, I'm gonna take this one off and get the new one in, and we'll almost be done. Garbage? Not garbage.
Garbage.
Jeez. So yeah, we just use the same basically metal brackets, and then just put the new bushings in. Again, they're supplied with it, so. And do it for me. Because I can't. Because my thumb hurts. Alrighty guys, so unfortunately Casey snapped that in, but our kind neighbor that lent me the jack to lift the car up easier helped me, but we ended up drilling that stud out and putting a nut and bolt through it, got that in. I definitely need to do bushings because as you guys see there, yeah, I don't need to show you any more of that, but here's the old one, the back, front's done, it's all done, everything's bolted in. As far as I know, all I gotta do is test drive it now. Everything should be good to go. But yeah, huge thanks to Casey for helping me finish this because I messed up my thumb. And huge thanks to my neighbor over there for fixing that issue that Casey caused. But yeah, she's done. She's happy. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, share, all that good, famous YouTube stuff. And sorry if this isn't the usual Connor and all of us hanging out, making very, very pushy jokes, testing YouTube's patience, but yeah. What do you have to say?
I don't know.
But yeah, sway bars are done. Maybe next thing I'll do is bushings on the car.
Yes.
Pretty much all the
that's the next
bushings.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And your control arms. Too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bushings and control arms.
And then in March we do.
They'll have to watch.
Spoilers.
They'll have to watch to figure that out. They'll see when they see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, so sway bars are in. I already took my roommate Casey for a drive to feel the difference. Now we have my lovely girlfriend passenger seat. And we're gonna go to Walmart to get stuff, but
I hope I can keep your camera steady enough.
So honestly, in my opinion, for the money you'll be spending on these, which it was just, I think it was just under like 300 bucks for these. For the money you'll be spending, if you really want to have some improved handling, if you plan to do any sort of spirited driving with your car, or Miata specifically, it's definitely worth the money. I'd say go ahead and do it. But yeah, just thought I'd finish it off here, even though I said I'd finish it off before, but you know.